Investing for abundance. How to overcome fear and start growing your wealth. Have you ever wanted to invest, to see your money grow, but found yourself frozen by fear? Maybe you worry about losing everything, or you feel like investing is just too complicated, only for the experts. You're not alone. The truth is, investing can feel intimidating, but the biggest barrier isn't the market, it's often our mindset. Today, we're going to dive deep into how to overcome that fear and truly start growing your wealth by putting your mindset first. We'll break down the steps to shift from scarcity to abundance, empowering you to invest with confidence. Step 1. Confront your fears, unmasking the inner critic. Before you even look at a stock chart, we need to address the elephant in the room: fear. What specifically frightens you about investing? Is it the fear of losing money? The fear of making a mistake? Or maybe the belief that you're simply not smart enough to understand it? Take a moment to truly identify these specific fears. Write them down. Often, these fears stem from past experiences, outdated beliefs, or a general feeling of the unknown. Once you name them, they lose some of their power. Investing does have risks, but educated risks are very different from blind fear. Step 2. Cultivate an abundance mindset, money as a tool for growth. This is where the mindset first truly comes in. Instead of viewing money as something scarce, or investing as a gamble, start seeing it as a tool for growth and a pathway to abundance. An abundance mindset believes there's enough for everyone, and that you are capable of creating and managing wealth. Focus on the long-term potential. Visualize your money working for you, compounding over time to create financial freedom. Practice gratitude for the resources you currently have, no matter how small. This shift in perspective is powerful because it moves you from a reactive, fearful stance to a proactive, hopeful one. Step 3. Educate yourself, empowering knowledge. Fear often thrives in the dark. Education is your flashlight. You don't need a finance degree to start. Begin by learning the basics. What is compounding and why is it so powerful? Why is diversification important? What's the difference between stocks, bonds, and mutual funds? Seek out reputable resources, trusted books, free online courses from established institutions, or certified financial advisors. Understand your own risk tolerance. What level of market fluctuation can you genuinely handle without panic? Knowledge reduces fear, replacing it with informed confidence. Step 4. Start small and automate, taking action without overwhelm. The biggest hurdle is often just starting. You don't need a fortune to begin. Commit to investing a manageable amount, even if it's just $50 or $100 per month. The key here is consistency and automation. Open a low-cost brokerage account or use a robo-advisor, which simplifies the process for you. Set up automated transfers from your bank account to your investment account. This leverages the power of dollar-cost averaging, allowing you to invest regularly without trying to time the market. Small, consistent actions build momentum and confidence. Step 5. Practice patience and persistence, the long-term game. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be ups and downs in the market, that's normal. Your mindset will be tested during market dips. This is where patience and persistence become your greatest assets. Avoid panic selling. Trust in the long-term growth potential. Regularly review your portfolio, perhaps once or twice a year, but avoid obsessing over daily fluctuations. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Consistent action, combined with your cultivated abundance mindset, is what truly builds wealth over time. Overcoming your fear of investing isn't just about accumulating money. It's about claiming your financial power and building the life you desire. By confronting your fears, cultivating an abundance mindset, educating yourself, starting small, and staying persistent, you're not just investing in assets, you're investing in your freedom. Share it in the comments below. And if you're ready to continue unlocking your potential, make sure to subscribe to Mind Unlocked. Thanks for watching.